Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SUBBARAJU'S Learning Hub. Today we will talk about multiplication of decimals. We know how to multiply whole numbers. Multiplication of decimals does not vary from the multiplication of whole numbers. The multiplication of decimals follow the same rules as we multiply the whole numbers. See here, we have 1.5 into 3, 1.5 multiplied by 3. So 1.5 multiplied by 3 means 1 and half multiplied by 3, 1 and half. We know that 3 1 and halves are 4.5. So we can say that 1.5 multiplied by 3, we get 4.5. Now we will prove how it is. See here, 1.5, 1 decimal 5 can be written as 15 on 10. 15 on 10. 15 on 10 into 3. 15 on 10 into 3 is 15 into 3 by 10. 15 into 3 we know that 45. 45 by 10. 45 on 10 is equal to 4.5 as per decimal rules we have already learnt. So 1.5 when multiplied by 3 we get 4.5. So we can frame a rule of multiplication of decimals. So the product, the number of decimals in both the multiplier and the multiplicand together makes the number of decimals in the product. See, we have only one decimal point here, 1.5, and it is a whole number. So in the product we have again only one decimal point, 4.5. We will discuss more vividly in the next example. See here, 4.5 multiplied by 2.5. 4.5 multiplied by 2.5. So here there are two decimal points, one in multiplier and one in multiplicand. So the product should have two decimal points. We know that if we ignore the decimals, 45 when 45 multiplied by 25, we will get 1125. So since there are two decimal points, one in multiplier and one in multiplicand, we should have two decimal points in the product. So 4.5 when multiplied by 2.5, we will get the product 11.25. See, we will prove it. 4.5 can also be written as 45 on 10, and 2.5 can also be written as 25 on 10. So 45 on 10 multiplied by 25 on 10, it is 45 into 25 by 10 into 10. 45 into 25 we know 1125, and 10 into 10 we know 100. So 1125 by 100 as per decimal rules 11.25. Since there are two zeros after 1 in the numerator, we should have two decimal points, 11.25. Coming to the next example, see here, we will clearly understand the multiplication of decimals here in this example. We have 0.001 into 0.175. 0.001 multiplied by 0.175. We have 6 decimal points, 3 in the multiplier and 3 in the multiplicand. So our product should have 6 decimal points. See here, we will prove. We can write 0.001 as 1 by 1000. Since here there are they up to 1000th place, 1000th place, it is equal to 1 by 1000. And again it is 1000th place, 3 decimal points, that means 1/10th, 100th, and 1000th. 1.175 can also be written as 175 by 1000. So it is equal to 1 multiplied by 175. 1 into 175 by 1000 into 1000. We know that 1 multiplied by 175 gives 175. And 1000 multiplied by 1000, we will get 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs. See, there are 3 zeros in 1000 and 3 zeros in 1000 and again 3 zeros in 1000. So the product should have 3 plus 3 6 zeros. So it is equal to 10 lakh. So now write 175 by 10 lakh. So if you write this normal fraction into a decimal fraction, see that you should have 6 decimal points, but we have only 3 places here, 3 places, but you should have 6 decimal points. So you write the 3 places here, and to fill the remaining 3 decimal places, you write zeros. So 0.000175. So here in the multiplicand we have 3 decimals, and multiplier we have 3 decimal points, and in the product we have 6 decimal points. So to complete the remaining decimal points, we write zeros after decimal and before the whole number. See here, coming to the next example. When decimals are multiplied by 10, 100, 1000, etc. How we easily multiply decimals by tens, hundreds, thousands, etc. We will see in this example. Before going into the discussion, friends, I think you are all enjoying my videos. If you enjoyed this video also, please like it, share it, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please consider to subscribe it and activate the bell icon to get the updates. See here, 1.5 into 10. 1.5 into 10. We know that 1.5 can also be written as 15 on 10. 15 on 10 into 10. So 15 on 10 into 10. You can cancel 10 and 10. You will get 15. So 1.5 into 10 is the same as 15. So you can assume that, okay, after completion of the second one, we will frame a rule of multiplication by tens, thousands, etc. See here, we have 1.5 into 100. 1.5 into 100. So we know that 1.5 is the same as 15 on 10, and when multiplied by 100, we cancel tens, and 10 is remained here. 15 into 10, we have 150. See, let us frame a rule. We have multiplied 1.5 by 10. So what is the product? 15. How do we get? Simply move. If there is 1 0 in the multiplier after 1, simply move the 0 to one place, towards the right side. So it is equal to 15.0. 15.0 and 15 is the same number. So we write 15. Coming to the next one. You have to move, since there are 2 zeros in 100, 2 zeros in 100, you have to move 2 places to the right side. The point should be moved to 2 places to the right side. But here you have only one place. To fill the remaining place, you write 0. So 1.5 into 100 is equal to 15 into 10. 15 into 10, 150. 150.0, or you can write as 150. Coming to the next one. 1.75 into 10. 1.75 by multiplied by 10. So as we have discussed earlier, 1.75 can also be written as 175 on 100, and into 10. When multiplied by 10, we cancel tens here, and 175 by 10. 175 by 10, we know that it is the same as 17.5. 5. See here, there are 2 decimal points in the multiplicand and 1 0 in the multiplier, 1 0 after 1. So the point should move one place towards the right side. So 1.75 into 10, 17.5. See the next one, 1.75 into 100. 1.75 multiplied by 100. So we know that 1.75 is the same as 175 on 100 in multiplied by 100. So 100 and 100 cancel and we will get 175. See here, 1.75 has 2 decimal points and the multiplier has 2 zeros after 1. So the point should move 2 places towards the right side. So it will be same as 175.0 can also be written as 175, the same as 175. Coming to the next one, 1.75 in multiplied by 1000. So 1.75 can be written as 175 on 100 multiplied by 1000 cancels hundreds and 10 is remained here. 175 into 10, 175 into 10 we will get 1750. See the rule here, there are 3 zeros in the multiplier but there are 2 decimal points in the multiplicand. So 3 zeros after 1. So you simply multiply by 1.75 into 1 and points should be moved 3 places. But here we have only 2 places. So to fill the third place you write 0. So it is equal to 1750.0 or 1750. So coming to the next one, 1.7645 into 100. The same way, 17,645 by 10,000. Since there are 4 decimal points, you write 4 zeros after 1 in the denominator and multiply it by 1. Hundreds cancel and 100 remains here. So 17,645 by 100 is the same as 176.45. So see here, there are 4 decimal points in the multiplicand and 2 zeros in the multiplier after 1. So the place should move, the point should move 2 places towards the right side. And see here, 1.7645 into 100 is equal to 176.45. It moved 2 places towards the right side. In the same way, whatever number 300, 500, 600. For example, if it is 1.75 into 500, you have to multiply 175 by 5 and then the places should move. Since it is 500, 2 places towards the right side. So you can easily perform the multiplications of decimals if you follow this rule. Okay friends, practice it. You can take any mathematics book of 6th class, 4th class, 5th class, 7th class and you can perform the calculations, multiplications of decimals. It will certainly give you a confidence of performing multiplications in decimals. Thank you friends. We will meet in our next video. Until then, have a great time.